Royal Nation. I'm here with my baby girl.
Hi.
We getting ready to do her maintenance for her hair, her sew-in. Hey Royal Nation. I'm here with my baby girl.
Hi.
We getting ready to do her maintenance for her hair, her sew-in. So we are here, getting ready to get out and go in and see Miss Ashley Banks to do her maintenance. So Olivia, do you still like your sew-in? What are some of the pros and cons, some of the likes or dislikes from having your sew-in?
Yeah, I really do still enjoy the look of my sew-in. It looks very natural. I always get compliments on my hair. So the pros is that I really don't, like, day to day, I don't have to do too much to it. I just use like the little foam roller, like you just put it around your head and just wrap it around the hair. So I use that at night, and so that makes keep the curl in place. So like I really don't have to do anything in the morning, just like, you know, unwrap it and just separate the curls with my fingers, and that's it. And unless, you know, my hair starts poofing up a little bit, then I have to you know, put some heat on it, but I only try to put heat on it once a week. So, you know, I won't break out my own hair. I would say that is probably the hardest part, because I do work out, and so when working out, just trying to figure out the best way to like keep my hair straight and not having it to crinkle up, or in, you know, high humidity type of weather, is kind of harder for me to keep my hair straight. But other than that, I really like it. The other down I would say is I can't really scratch my head like I want to. And so,
Yeah, because you hear that.
Yeah, like I pat my head, or like I try to get a rat tail tooth comb to get in between, but it's not unbearable. It's you know, but it's just, that is one of the cons, because I'm just used to be able to scratch my head.
Does the oil help at all?
Yeah, oil helps. I know, like, my hair, I realized that my scalp was getting dry, so the oil helped. But it's also, you know, when you sweat, you feel that, you know, that moisture in your scalp, and so that kind of caused me to want to scratch it or something. But yeah, so other than that, everything is good. I really enjoy my sew-in. I always get compliments. People are amazed that it's even a sew-in. They think it's my hair just pressed out. And yeah, so.
Because the hair is really close to texture of your hair. So, which is really good. So, all right, guys. So, we're just waiting to go in. Royal Nation, we back with Dr. Banks. Olivia's actually getting her maintenance done, so that's what she's doing today. How often do you recommend people come in and get their maintenance done? Like every 2 weeks? I think I asked you that before.
Like every 3 to 4 weeks.
Every 3 to 4 weeks. Okay.
I mean, you can come every other. I do have some clients that come every other week. But just their preferences. I'll say every 2 to 4 weeks.
Okay. you.